Welcome to a Hummingbird tour of Lost and Pine Cabin. Situated on a 1.3-acre lot at the end of the street, you'll really get that cabin in the woods feel. And the design of the cabin? Well, it really speaks for itself. You'll be welcomed by an open and refined living space, complete with sleek and modern furnishings, but with some cozy and traditional comforts mixed in. From conversations by the gas fireplace to fun family activities, you'll have plenty of options to suit everyone in your group, including areas designed for doing nothing at all. Moving into the kitchen, you'll find plenty of space to cook up a feast. And of course, the kids will immediately find our s'mores welcome basket. Enjoy ample counter space, a nice ceramic cooktop, and conveniently placed microwave for easy meal prep. Start your mornings right here by the convenient Keurig machine. With a dining table that seats 10, this cabin was designed for family gatherings. Enjoy meals together, family game nights, and endless conversations. As we go down the hallway, you'll find a conveniently located laundry room with full-size washer and dryer. At the end of the hallway, you'll find 2 master suites. In this suite, you'll find luxury and comfort from the moment you walk in. It has a gorgeous king-size bed, dresser, and wall-mount TV. Plus, this suite has a beautiful bathroom with double vanity and a luxurious walk-in shower. Once you step in here, you may never want to leave. But when you finally do, at least you'll enjoy the stylish decor. Across the hall, you'll find another breathtaking king suite. This one also has another comfy king-size bed, dresser, and wall-mount TV. As we enter the bathroom, you'll find another double vanity, and yes, another irresistible walk-in shower. Which master suite will you choose? With so many creature comforts, sweeping views of the pines, and gorgeous decor, you can't go wrong with either one. Now let's go upstairs as we make one more pass at this cozy living room. The high ceilings make this cabin feel nice and open and offer lots of natural light. On the second floor, you'll find a massive bunk room with 2 sets of twin over queen bunk beds and a fun and exciting gaming area. The arcade console has over 400 games with some familiar classic titles that even parents will love to play. Or enjoy a movie night here on this huge TV. And would you believe there is an additional guest room up here too? And this one also has a king-size bed, storage, and a wall-mount TV. Let's just take a peek out of the windows of this amazing view of the pines. All of the upstairs guests will enjoy this full-size bathroom, complete with shower, and it has 2 doors for easy access from either sleeping area. You won't even see your kids once they find this room. They'll entertain themselves for hours. So now let's take a look at the outside living space after one more look at the open and airy kitchen. You'll find a gorgeous covered patio, complete with an additional gas fireplace and seating area. But don't forget the steaks. You'll definitely enjoy grilling them here amongst the towering pines. Watch TV or relax on the sofa. This whole area will be a group favorite for dining, hanging out, or even taking an afternoon nap on this exquisite daybed swing. And you know eventually everyone will end up here in the hot tub. It has sweeping views of the backyard where you can soak and supervise the kids as they enjoy the playset. It's a backyard full of fun and adventure for your entire family. And last but not least, you have a place to make those s'mores right here at the fire pit. Relax under the pines and under the stars as you enjoy hours of conversation, stargazing, and memories. This cabin truly has it all. It even has Wi-Fi boosters that extend Wi-Fi range all the way out to the fire pit, and Bluetooth speakers so you can enjoy your favorite playlists. Can't you just imagine your family getting together here in this beautiful space? Be sure to book this cabin for your next Broken Bow adventure. Get lost in luxury when you stay at Lost in Pine Cabin. We hope you've enjoyed this Hummingbird tour of Lost in Pine Cabin. If you'd like to book it for your next vacation, go to hfvachomes.com. If you'd like us to do a Hummingbird tour of your space, email us at jason@jasonwardphoto.com. Thanks for watching!